Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make the age-old classic charred and smoke-flavored English bread pudding. And before I tell you the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Break the misleading assumptions and presumptions and bless us all with keen curiosity, sharp sight, clear hearing and far-sighted vision, true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. English oven standard bread, that is 8 slices for 4 portions. And aag lagao, a fry pan, butter, pre-melted of course. Swirl it a little. When hot, pan fry the bread slices. And flip the side and allow the other side to fry well too. In the classical method, the bread is fried, although the same recipe can be made with lesser calories. But of course we will discuss that at some other point of time. Continue to flip till both the sides are evenly fried and evenly done. As I was saying, the lower calorie version of the same pudding we'll make in another video. Once the slices have been evenly done on all the sides, remove and set aside to lose their heat and cool down a shade. In the meantime, add butter, pre-melted of course, same quantity. When hot, pan fry the last 4 slices also. Flip the side and allow the other side to fry well too. This is the classical recipe. Continue to flip till both sides are evenly done. And when done, continue to flip again. Remove and set aside to lose their heat and cool down a shade like we had done earlier. In the meantime, aag lagao and a saucepan this time. Full tone or full fat milk. Add the milk. Pinch of cinnamon with 2 tablespoons of jaggery, brown, date, palm or any natural sugar. Stir well and taste. Yes, a little more is required. Add 2 more tablespoons with the same mix. Stir well. Allow the milk to come to a hard rolling boil and switch off the heat. And now cut the bread slices into small pieces. The size of course doesn't matter. And cut all the slices. When done, again aag lagao and a baking or a mixing bowl. Jaggery or brown sugar or any natural sweetener of your choice, 1 tablespoon. And sugar, 1 tablespoon. Allow the jaggery and the sugar to char. It will start to smoke. Swirl the mixing bowl around, spread it and There we are. That is what it is going to look like. Allow the smoke to come. This is the flavor that we want. Charred and smoked, if you remember. So there we are. Beautifully done. And now for dry fruits of your choice. Add the dry fruits. Spread them. When done, continue with the smoke and the char. Let the flavor spread. Now add the bread pieces or the slices to the bowl. Now when done, add the hot milk. Crush and dunk the bread pieces to soak and absorb the milk. This is most important. When done, aag lagao. Set the steamer to preheat. Add the water and the stand. Cap shut the steamer. And after a few minutes, set the bowl. Cover with a folded newspaper so that water droplets do not fall in the pudding. Set the lid and cap shut the steamer. Allow to steam for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, uncap the steamer, remove the lid, remove the newspaper. Wow, looking nice, but a little too wet and sticky, needs a few more minutes. Place the newspaper again and the lid and cap shut the steamer. Allow to steam for 5 more minutes. Uncap the steamer, remove the lid and the newspaper. Wow, now it's looking better. Check if the toothpick comes out clean. Yes, it's ready now. Remove the bowl and allow to lose its heat and cool down a shade. You can cover and keep also. Run a knife to loosen the edges of the bread pudding. When done, invert and remove the pudding onto a plate or a serving tray. Tap if you have to. Drizzle the charred and smoke flavored bread pudding with grated coconut and castor sugar and serve and enjoy with all.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.